Ever wonder about output variables in Python? Let's dive in. The humble comma, a simple yet powerful tool in Python. Use it to separate multiple variables. Here's an example. In your Python script, try writing a $hello, b $world. Now print these variables by writing print, ab. You'll see as it effortlessly formats your output. The plus sign is another tool in Python's arsenal. It's not just for addition. Use it to print multiple variables together. Assign values to variables like a $hello, b $world. You can then try print a plus b. And behold, your variables merge seamlessly. But beware the pitfalls. Combine a string and a number, and Python raises its defenses, throwing an error. For example, try setting a $hello and b $5, then try print a plus b, and you'll see it's a no-go. But don't fret, there's a solution. Your number to a string with a star function and voila, error averted. Assign a $hello 5. Now try print a plus strb, and you'll see it's a win. Stay curious, stay coding.